In this video, we are going to see how we can add mini bar charts for each kind of data within a single view. As you can see here, we have many mini bar charts showing in a single view, and that can be done by adding multiple dimensions. So let's see how we can develop this from scratch. Let me just clear this all and let's insert a new sheet named multi bar charts. First of all, let's put and fill the columns with regions. And let's say we want to fill the rows with a second dimension as well. Let's enter a beverage item. And here for the comparison, we want the sales. As you can see, it is already converted to multi-bar charts. But what if we want to extend this selection? And until now, if you want to see how many bars do we have many bars showing here. We just click on multi-bar charts title and you can see the data source, 42 marks, 6 rows by 7 columns for each, and the total is this for sales. Let's make it an entire view. And as you can see, we have many big bars. So let's add one more comparison and we will do this, add this parameter in the columns, and it's year by year comparison. So instead of years by years, if you want many mini bars, let's switch it to months, and it automatically switches it up to the line chart. Let's switch it back to bars and we can see different bars showing right here. But the problem is we cannot see it 100% and it's not viewable or comparable. So in those cases, what we can do is just we can convert it into 100%, or otherwise we can go to the sum and under the measure, we will change it to percentile and we want to extend it until 95% so that the bar size increases and we can compare that as well. So this is how you can do it. Now, lastly, if you want to add multiple colors to it, representing different months, what we can do is just hold the months and drag it to colors by holding a control key. Just remember that. Hold the control key first and then drag and drop the spill to colors. It will switch it up into different colors. And after that, if you want to customize any colors, just go to the edit colors, choose your required color, assign the palette, click yes, apply and OK. So this is how you can insert many mini bar charts in a single view. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.